Welcome back to Moho Adventures, and this week we continue our journey across Croatia.
So that's just left sight. We're now headed back down the mountain through the national park and back to the sweatbox of the coast and get some shopping. It's been really lovely to have a few days of the really fresh and damp air. It rained quite a lot last night, so yeah, it's very nice and cool today. So we're back down at sea level. When we left the campsite it was a very pleasant 18 degrees, and what do you say it is now?
30, yeah.
30 degrees. I mean, that is a huge temperature difference. So yeah, back to the sweatbox today.
Oh, I think we were about 900 metres
We were quite high, weren't
above
we?
sea level, so it was pretty high, tucked behind the mountains.
It was nice though, it was a lovely respite.
It was good.
That's one of the beauties of motorhoming. You just leave wherever you want. You want a few days in the cold, you go up to the mountains. You want to be in the hot sunshine, then you're down on the coast. Or anywhere in between you want to be. Managed to find this spot.
No. Market on Wednesday.
Oh bugger. Okay, managed to find this lovely spot, and yeah, it looks fab. People have stayed here overnight and it's been grand. However, I just picked up the video, the camera to say, yay, this is great, and Martin's just pointed out that today's Tuesday and Wednesday's market day, so we will have a problem. It looks like we're moving on again. Sat here watching the seaplanes. It's quite cool and funky. Been gone round a couple of times. Not something you see every day. These are the sort of streets you gotta love. Real community. Oh, is it? It was just a cut through then, was it? Found this street parking for the night in a very quaint little village next to the sea inlet. Feels okay being here for now. There is a campsite not too far off up the road, so if we do encounter a problem, we have found somewhere else about a mile or so up the road. But yeah, we'll see if we can stay here. It's currently, just so it's currently 27.
Yeah.
So was it 7 o'clock in the evening, 6:30, 7 o'clock in the evening?
7 o'clock now.
And it's currently 27 degrees. So we're going to take the dog out down to a grassy area and let her have a sniff about for a bit. The pavements are nice and cool, we've already checked. And we'll just go for a wander and see what happens. But yeah, it's very nice. The colour of that water is superb, even though it looks green on camera. So the town's waken up. just get random people like wheeling boats up the road, as you do.
Yeah, as you do. Why not?
It's a fabulous little quirky village. Love it. We're in the city of Zadar, something that we particularly wanted to come and see, but it's crazy busy. We're very lucky to get parked, I think, which is a real shame, but there's a sea organ here that we wanted to come and see. There's only 2 of them in the world, and the notes of the organ are just played by the waves. But yeah, whether we'll make it, we'll know in the next couple of minutes, I think. Okay, wow, so we just happened on a space and the sea organ is just around the corner. Cool bananas. Here we are at the sea organ, you can probably hear it, and the notes are just played by the waves. Quite random but quite harmonious. This was built in 2005. When this area was re-established after the war, it was just concrete and bland, so they enlisted the help of an artist to build a structure that would liven up the area and attract the tourists.
You've been on Google?
I have been on Google, yes. This is one of 2 in the world, as far as I'm aware. The other one is in San Francisco. So you have a listen for a bit.
As the weather was so warm, we decided to spend a couple of days at a campsite down on the coast before we turned back on ourselves and headed north through Croatia.
Well, this is the view out of our front side window. Quite a good sea view there. Watching the sailboats go by, you can see one just coming into the screen now. And it's quite lovely just to watch. And I'll show you outside. So this has been our pitch for the last 2 days. Beautiful olive grove that side. And as we come down, a fantastic sea view there. And then there's about a dozen or more steps down to a lovely beach area. And it's a very quiet site. A lot of these are permanent or like for the whole summer. There's not a lot of coming and going and very little noise. It's fabulous, and the shower block and the washing facilities and washing machine facilities are so clean. I've been up there 3 times, and all 3 times a cleaning lady's been up there, going in behind people and washing and cleaning. So yeah, very nice indeed. But as we just said, it's a real sweat box. So very little air. Time to move on, get that van going and get that air conditioning on the go. I love this. The campsite's got his own ice cream man. We're coming up this way in a sec. Mmm.
Yes? She'll be back soon. Yeah, look out that one. Yeah, she'll come that way.
Good morning. So
Morning.
here we are, freshly showered.
And sweaty already.
And sweaty already, yes. I just had the most wonderful ice cold shower. I did not want to get out, but yeah, there we go. So we've been on this campsite for the last 2 days. We were thinking, we're leaving today. We were thinking of moving up towards one of the national parks to see some of the spectacular waterfalls. Well, we've done some research. We're pretty disgusted, to be fair, aren't we?
You definitely are.
Wow, €40 each to go and see a natural waterfall, and €10 parking. 90 freaking euros for half a day.
I don't know how you justify that.
I
understand like charge an entrance to help with the upkeep in the area or whatever, but it's a natural feature.
No F-bomb.
I'll edit that out. Why are we paying €40 each for it? I mean, that is insane.
That's just crazy.
Well, we're not paying €40.
No, we're not. We're not going. I mean, we've seen the pictures. They look amazing, but we can just take our own pictures the same.
I've seen loads of waterfalls that I didn't pay €40 for.
Absolutely.
That's for sure.
Well, when we were in Scotland, there was a beautiful waterfall on every corner.
Free.
Free.
Every single one of them.
So yeah, we are we're ranting a little bit over that, but we're both a bit aggy today, to be fair. We have had serious issues with mosquitoes. We have both been bitten so bad, and we're using the Avon So Soft, and I've got bite cream, and we're making sure that the fly nets are on the van, and my goodness, I mean,
still getting in.
Last night we must have swatted, it was crazy.
Ridiculous.
12, 15.
Every time you think you got them all, you go to sleep, and half an hour later there's
Buzzing around your head. Just on my lower left leg, I have got 12 bites below the knee. God knows what, when you add up all the rest, but it's just 12 bites on my lower left leg. It's just
horrible.
It's just horrible and crazy. So we're going to take a massive detour today back into Zadar, which is where we went to see the sea organ, and find a DIY store that can hopefully we can purchase something. Do you know what I would pay a fortune for? Anything that would help today. Well,
it might not be €40 though.
Well, yeah, and it'll last longer. Yeah, so, today we leave the coast and start heading inland and up towards Hungary. It'll take us a while to get there because obviously Croatia's quite large. Don't really have a plan as such, do we?
No, not really.
We're going to drive through the national park, and we'll just see where it takes our fancy,
yeah, we're just
really.
going to pick our way around the countryside and stop at some local villages and restaurants and cafes and that kind of thing, and see where we can stop. There aren't a huge amount of places on park for the night. Like, obviously we're going to have to pick our way through some campsites to empty the toilet and stuff occasionally, but other than that, there's some pretty quiet places. We should be able to overnight without any trouble. Yeah,
and we're in a bay here, and it is absolutely, it's a sweatbox in that. I mean, there is hardly any breeze. No. The temperature is 32, 34, something like that.
In the van, with all the windows open, it's 33, I think.
Yeah, and there's no air outside, so it's hardly any cooler outside.
It's humid as well, isn't it?
Very. So yeah, that's us for now, and as always, we'll share our journey along the way. Catch you later. We're just off now to go and get some supplies. What area are we staying in, dear? You haven't had a chance to say it to camera yet.
Sweaty Philip and Jakov. Jakov. Sweaty Philip and Jakov. Which is kind of a bit of a weird name, isn't it?
It's a little.
Regardless.
Probably doesn't mean that though.
I think it means Saint Philip and Jacob.
Yeah, probably. Sweaty Philip and Jacob.
But it's Jakov, not Jacob.
Oh, okay. That's the shopping done. We've just been to a place called Bauhaus, which is like an enormous B&Q, and stocked up on plenty of mosquito zapping products. We'll get them set up when we get settled for this evening. So now we've got about an hour's drive ahead of us, hopefully for a free park up, but we will see. And yeah, it's Friday night, so we need to make sure we have good internet, etc., so Martin can do his Saturday meeting. So we always have like like a 3 or 4 option plan on a Friday, don't we? And we'll just see how many of those we need to use. Just saw a sign for the olive oil route, and I said to my husband, "Oh, doesn't that sound interesting?" And you said it sounds
slippery.
Slippery.
It doesn't sound as good as a wine route.
No, it doesn't. No. Yeah, slippery. Sorry, I thought that was funny.
Yeah, you need to get out.
Probably.
So after our second attempt at finding somewhere to park, it involves a dirt track. We've managed to find this one, which isn't too steep, and it's just up on a viewpoint on top of a hill. Yeah, it looks quite nice. Pretty much on our own. And I don't think there'll be any problem with the internet here. Yeah, there's a tower there. Oh, I think I'll be okay for that.
There we have our mosquito contraption all set up. Just waiting to test it. There are 1 or 2 little blighters in the van. So yeah, we'll just see if it works. Not doing great at the moment, but it might be one of those things that works best when it's the only light on. It's 7 AM on Saturday morning and we've got an alarm call. Got a load of sheep outside bleating. If you can hear it. Certainly making their presence known. Hair looks nice, babe. It does something different.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Show me. Show me, don't shy.
Show you what?
One
exactly?
side. And then the other side.
Nice and short this side. And this side's nice and long.
Why have you gone?
Some idiots run my shaver down.
Some idiots run your shaver down. Well, it might have helped if it was fully charged in the first place.
It was.
Oh, okay. So it's my fault that it's rubbish tool. And
I don't know why it's not charging.
I told you I didn't want to cut your hair.
You're just checking. Yeah, I don't know why it's not charging
Looks
properly.
lovely, dear.
It's alright, isn't it?
Haircut done. Is it better? I don't think so.
Yeah, well,
I think
it's cooler.
I think it's a bit fugly.
It's sexy, not fugly. It's good. I like it.
Good, glad you
It's
do.
cooler.
Yeah, I bet it is.
Oh, I can feel the breeze on my head. Yeah.
I'm really struggling with the heat of my long hair.
It will grow really quick anyway.
Yeah, it will.
Well, I'm quite happy to shave yours off. What grade would you like?
I'm tempted to have the underneath shaved. I seriously am.
What, 0? 1, 2.
2. Tempted. Not ready yet, but tempted.
I mean, this bit. So, I've got these little delicacies, these Croatian, I can't remember what they're called, Severpachi or Patsy, I don't know, some type of meat. They're all the rage and they love them. Tash was, I had very low expectations of what they would be like, and they delivered.
They absolutely delivered. When you dished them up, I thought it smelled like Whisker's cat food. Don't taste much different. I don't know that I've tasted Whisker's cat food, but it's...
Well then,
what
see, I think you're just exaggerating there,
That's
aren't
what
you?
I would expect.
They were alright. They're
The
just...
homemade dip's good. The homemade sauce is good.
Oh, it's just yogurt and
Cucumber,
mint.
yeah, was it? Yeah, yogurt and mint.
But they're, yeah, they're okay. They just taste like burger to me.
We've had so many things that have been inedible. It's a win because I can eat it.
Low expectation and it delivered. Low results. Never mind. Tomorrow's another day for food. To stop here. I didn't notice, Tash did, but yes, the old bistro come. Nice. So we had to. Yeah, just stop for a drink, and I've got the world's smallest espresso. It looks quite big there, but oh no, there you go, there's a better view. It's tiny. When I pick it up, you'll see. Yeah.
You can't even get your fingers in the hole.
No, I have to pick it up like that. But what's nice, you always get water with your coffee here, so that's nice.
So we've ordered toasted sandwiches. Mine is cheese, ham and tomato, and you've got some sausage in yours. But they are enormous. They're like fancy pastas. Cut it open. Let me see what it looks like.
It's not what I was expecting.
No.
Wow.
They call it a sandwich, but it's like a balloon bread. It's really cool.
So well, it's basically a filled bread pocket. Very nice.
Wow.
I wouldn't bother cutting it for a minute. All the cheese will escape.
Cool. We've had another wonderful week in Croatia, and particularly enjoyed these free waterfalls. Hope you've enjoyed watching the video as much as we have enjoyed making it for you. Until next time, please do hit the like, subscribe button and share your comments and views with us. Take care.